How to use OBS to record screen and audio. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use OBS to record your screen and audio. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this video, I am using OBS myself and this is what it looks like. So using OBS is really simple and really easy. So after you install OBS and you're done with the setup process, you will notice that OBS has a start recording option right here, which is currently enabled. And here you can see that the mic and the aux is going up as I speak. So you can see if the volume or if the mic is working or not as well. You can test it beforehand before you start recording as well. And same goes for the desktop audio. Whatever you play on the desktop will get shown right here. And also, this is your screen right here. So if I just open something else here, that's what's gonna be here. There are different scenes available and also different sources. Now you'll need to be careful how you set your sources and scenes. So this source currently is what is capturing my display right here. And the other really great thing about OBS is you can put on different shortcuts. You can go there by tapping on files and then the settings. And right here you can see your general stream output and stuff. So here if you go to hotkeys, you'll notice that I have set control space and control space for recording. I can start and stop recording by simply pressing control plus space, and there you can set up multiple different hotkeys as well. And yeah, those are the features of your OBS, and you can also check out different audio and output settings, and also you can stream using your OBS. And that's basically how you can record audio and video of your desktop using OBS. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.